Hello guys, so on this video I'm going to show you how you can make $100 to $200 online. If you want to make this money, just keep on watching. Let me take you now to my computer and show you step by step how you can make this money. So now that you can see my computer on the screen, the first thing we need to do here is to go and pick the product that we want to start promoting. It's very important. The first thing you have to do before you start writing a blog post about a particular company you want to promote or sell online, you need to go, do research, write blog, do research, write blog, and try to know the product that you want to write about. So the first thing we need to do, let us go and look for this product that we want to promote. So we are going to use this website that I have in mind. So just come to Google and search for Opushclip. So this website is AI platform that allows people like me and you to go and convert our short form video into a long form video, and we can have more video to post every single day. So that is what this website, which is called Opushclip, is doing. So once you search for it on Google, open it. So I'll click on it now. So it's going to open up the website. So once it opens up, this is how the website looks. One thing I usually do is that I love looking at the website that I'm trying to promote. This is what is going to give me confidence to write blog about it and do more research and see if it's something that is really good to write blog about. One thing I want you to understand too is that you know that Opushclip is trending right now. That is why I am making this video, because it's trending. So a lot of people are looking for this website to use it. So that is why you need to go and quickly write blog about Opushclip and start using it to make money online with their affiliate program. So once you come to the website here, the first thing you need to do, like I said, is to look at the website and look at the traffic that is coming to the website. When I check this website on SimilarWeb here, so you can see that SimilarWeb is letting us know that this website is getting 5.8 million visitors every single month. Every single month, not every single day, but every single month. And if you look at this website, you can see that a lot of content creators are using this website. Nvidia, they are partnering with a lot of products. Nvidia, Visa, Hotspots, a lot of companies that they are partnering with. So all you just need to do is to look at all these other things. This will give you confidence that if I promote this product, am I going to get who are the type of people that is looking for this type of products, and what are they looking for, in this type of product. So before you know the type of article or blog you need to write about them is very important. So the next thing we have to do is to scroll down. So once you scroll down here, you need to click on become an affiliate. So once you click on become an affiliate, it's going to open the affiliate dashboard here. You can see money as an Opushclip affiliate partner. So what you can do on this website, like I'm saying, is to promote them if you want to promote them as an affiliate. And what they do is that they allow you to convert your long form video into a short form video. That is one thing that I want you to bear in mind to still understand. Why I'm repeating this, I want you to understand the type of website that I'm talking about. So once you scroll down here, look it through is very important. This is very important. Look the website through and see what they are really saying, because this is what is going to allow you to know if it's what people are really looking for or not. These are creators' testimony, what they are saying about Opushclip. So these are everything that all the users that is using this platform are saying. So it's very important for you to look at all these other things. And one thing that I want you to bear in mind, and one thing you need to pay attention to when you are promoting any product, is that you need to focus on the commission rate. How much are they paying me in return? You can see that Opushclip is paying you 25% recurring commission for 1 year. Let us say you refer anyone to this program. For complete 1 year, they are going to be paying you recurring commission. Let us say you refer anyone to this program and they are paying monthly subscription. You are going to be making money as a person that referred them to this platform, which is called Opushclip. Don't forget, it's 1 year contract. After 1 year, you need to refer more people. That is one thing that I want you to have in mind. And once you join this program, they are going to give you your own affiliate unique link. With this your unique link, this is what you are going to be sharing on different platforms and make money from it. Don't forget, it's a recurring commission program. recurring commission. You need to make sure you focus on recurring commission program when you are promoting affiliate products. Imagine that you put a lot of time to promote a particular product that will just pay you $1. So I will not encourage you or recommend you to go and promote a product that will pay you $1 or $2. So this product is going to be paying you recurring commission even if the commission rate is little. What you have to put in mind is that it's monthly recurring commission. I'm repeating it again so that you understand the type of product I'm talking about here. It's not just a random product. Now that we have our affiliate program that we want to promote, the next thing we have to do is to go and do a keyword research on this particular keyword. So let us go to this website that will allow us to do keyword research. So this is the website that will allow us to do keyword research, which is called Serrush. So if you want to use this website, it's a paid service. So it's not free, it's paid service. But if you don't have money for this type of tool to do keyword research, you can go and use my free course that I created, a way on how you can do your keyword research for 100% free. The link will be in the description. So the first thing you have to do once the website open, you need to click on the area where it said keyword overview. You can see keyword overview. So once it opens here, what you have to do is to enter the keyword that you have in mind to promote. Since this website we are trying to promote is like software that allow content creator to edit their video, to convert their long form video into a short form video, is the editing software. Let us call it editing software. I'll just enter the keyword that I want to do research about. So now that I've entered the keyword, which is best video editing software for beginners, I will just click on search. So what is going to do is going to give me analysis about this keyword and the traffic that is coming, if it's the difficult keyword to rank for or if it's not. As you can see here, the search volume of this keyword, which is 1.9k searches every single month in US, and globally the global searches is 5k searches every single month, and the KD, which is the keyword difficulty, is 19, which is easy to rank for, something that is very, very good if your website have a small domain authority. And the CPC is $2.20, which is the amount advertisers are willing to bind if they want to run ad on this particular keyword. So that is one thing that is good. So just scroll down here and look at the related keyword that they have here, and the question and answer, which is the question that people are asking about the tool or editing software that they want to use but they don't have any idea of. You can take all this information, go and add them at the FAQ under your blog. So it's very, very important for you to use too. And what you need to do here now is to scroll down and look at the website that is ranking for this type of keyword to know if you have to do a lot of research, or you have to do a lot of backlink so that your article will be on top of the first page on Google when they search for this keyword, which is best video editing software for beginners. Let us assume now that we have the keyword that we want to rank for, which is this one here. We are okay with it. The next thing we have to do now is to go and write blog about it. So one thing that I have to do now is to use this website to allow us to write blog very fast. So this AI tool, which is called Word Hero. So I'm going to go to Word Hero now. So once you come to Word Hero here, what you have to do is to click on the area where it says editor. Once I click on editor, it's going to open up. So once it opens up, we are going to follow the process of how we can generate our blog. So what we need to do here now is to enter the title of this our blog, which is best video editing software for beginners. So once you enter this, putting your mouse on it and click on this icon here, which is this one here, these three icons, click on it. So once you click on it, what it's doing for you now is helping you to generate outline for this your blog. So once you have generated out all the whole outline that you are seeing here, what you can do now is to click on each one of the outline you have generated for you. You can click on write instantly here, or you can click on this rocket icon if you don't find anything like write. So I will click on this rocket icon, and as you can see, it's loading up and it's telling us that it's going to write out this blog for us. As you can see, it has started generating the blog for us. All we just need to do is to be patient, and as you can see, it has generated out the outline for this particular session, which is why video editing software is easier for beginners. And one thing we have to do again is to scroll down here and put in our mouse here and click on this same icon here to generate out this outline again. So what we just have to do is to be patient, and it's going to do all the whole work for us, and we are just going to relax, allow the AI to do all the whole work for us. So I'm going to stop it here, because if I keep on showing you this, it will not be like very organic and authentic. So one thing that you have to do again is to, once you are done writing this your blog here with this website, which is called Word Hero, you need to go and write this your blog. It's very, very important. So to write this your blog, copy every one of the text here, copy every one of the content that this AI have generated for you, copy everything and go to Grammarly to rewrite each one of these your blog. So let us go to Grammarly now. So once you come to Grammarly here, what you have to do is to click on new, like you want to upload new content, and it's going to open up the page here. What you need to do here now is to enter the blog that Word Hero have generated for you, and you need to like set in each one of the outlines, just put everything right. What you can do here is to space out this and space out each one of the outline that the AI have given to you. And as you can see, all you just need to do is to make this your blog to look clean and good for your readers, because it's very, very important for your readers to be able to understand what you are writing about. So just make everything look clean and smooth, so that when your reader are going through this your blog, it will be very, very easy and simple for them to understand what you are talking about. So just make sure that you edit everything and make it to look different from what the AI have generated for you. So it's very, very important. And as you can see, Grammarly is letting us know that a lot of error have is on this our blog, and what we need to do is to click on it. So once you put in your mouse here, it will tell you if you want to use this old version, you can click on that and it will move you down again, telling you that there's other things you need to go and fix. So once you have fixed everything, you'll be seeing that Grammarly will be showing you the score of this your blog. So that is one thing that you need to do that is very, very important. So let us assume now that everything is okay, we have done everything. What you need to do is to copy this your blog and go and publish it on that your website and post it. So once you post this and insert all your affiliate link, you will be in a chance of making money with this strategy. The most important thing is the keyword, the content. If this your blog start trending on Google, you are going to make money if your visitors click on your affiliate link and purchase the product through your own given affiliate link that Opushclip give to you. So that is how you can make $100 to $200 by promoting this affiliate program, which is called Opushclip. I will say thank you very much, guys. If you enjoyed this my video, only what I will ask from you here is to just hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you on my next upcoming video. See you on the next one.